In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute someone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're a team leader trying to maintain focus during a meeting or just someone looking for a bit more order in a virtual setting, knowing how to mute participants efficiently is crucial in managing your online interactions. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each phase. To begin, you'll want to access the Microsoft Teams website. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Teams site. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the page. Just give that a click. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. If you're new to this, don't worry. Signing in is straightforward. Enter your email, follow with your password, and you'll be set. Now you're signed into Teams. It's time to join a meeting. If you have an invitation, the link should bring you directly into the Teams interface. If not, you can simply navigate to the Meetings section through your Teams dashboard. Select the meeting you wish to join, click, and here you are virtually in the room with your colleagues or classmates. Once you've joined the meeting, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Teams interface. Here you'll find the People icon, which is essential for managing participants. Clicking this icon will open up a sidebar listing all the participants currently in your meeting. This is where you'll find the person you wish to mute. Now, find the participant's name you want to mute in the list. This could be someone who's inadvertently disruptive or simply a participant who's having some background noise issues. Once you've located their name, right-click on it. A new menu will appear, offering several options for managing that participant's settings. From the menu, you'll select the Mute Participant option. Once clicked, this action will mute their microphone, ensuring that any noise or distractions from their end won't inadvertently interrupt the meeting. It's a handy tool to keep the conversation flowing smoothly without any disruptions. And there you have it. That's all you need to know to mute someone on Microsoft Teams. This feature not only helps maintain the quality and professionalism of your meetings, but also shows respect to all participants by minimizing interruptions. Remember, communication is key, so make sure to let your team know if you're planning to use this feature to manage the call effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps streamline your virtual meetings.